So question 5, I guess we're going to have the 3 different versions of this, aren't we? I switched it to dx by dt just to be awkward as well. So this is my auxiliary equation. I'm going to complete the square for that. So I get m plus k all squared minus k squared plus 9 equals 0. So we get m plus k all squared equals k squared minus 9. So that helps us decide what it's going to be, doesn't it? So if k is bigger than 3, then this bit here is going to be real. So we're going to get real answers. And so our real answers are going to be a e to the, right, okay, minus k plus the square root of k squared minus 9 plus b lots of e to the minus k minus the square root of k squared minus 9. Just square rooted that and took the k away from both sides there. So I think that's if it's real. So if k, can I go down to the bottom one? Can I do k equals 3 next? If k equals 3, then you'll have, that'll equal 0, and you'll have repeated roots. And so the repeated root will be a plus bx e to the, and that'll just be minus kx, won't it? That'll just be that one there. It's not x, is it? It's t. And you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put a t in those ones there as well, didn't I? Right, so if k is less than 3, then we're going to have the imaginary part of this. Now, the imaginary part of this, so the root minus k will be the real part, and then we'll have the square root of case 9 minus k squared as that part there, won't we? I. Right, so I think these bits, it's going to be e to the minus kt from the real part, and then a cos 9 minus k squared. I don't know why it's gone up there as a power. Cos 9 minus k squared t plus b sine 9 minus k squared t. I'm going to pause and think about that. Yeah, just thought through that. It seems okay. So when k is equal to 2, well, we've already decided it's going to be one of these, isn't it? So it's going to be e to the minus 2t lots of a cos, I've missed my square root out. I knew there was something I was missing there. Stick a 2 in there is root 5 t plus b sine root 5 t. Oh, it's lucky I kept going. I felt something was wrong there, and it was that square root. I've missed that bit there out. Last thing's happening. What's happening as t tends to infinity? Well, as t tends to infinity, e to the minus 2t, that's going to 0, isn't it? And so this whole thing here, this is x equals, isn't it? So I think x is going towards 0 because that'll be driving it down to 0.